Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Mini Cooper Oil Easy Guide. Start on a level surface with the engine warm and the parking brake set, then gather tools and safety gear. Use a jack and jack stands to raise and secure the car, place an oil pan under the drain plug, and be ready to catch all old oil. Work methodically and wear gloves to keep the process tidy and safe. Remove the drain plug slowly and allow the oil to flow completely into your pan, watching for hot splashes. While the oil drains, loosen the oil filter with a filter wrench and remove it by hand, keeping the pan ready to catch residual oil. Inspect the mounting surface for old gasket material, clean the area, and prepare the new filter by coating its gasket with fresh oil for a tight seal. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy clear instructions and hands-free help while you work, consider the Echo Dot smart speaker. It fills the garage with music, answers timers, and controls smart lights so you can keep your hands dirty and your workflow smooth. If this tip helped, please subscribe and like the video to support more guides. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. After replacing the filter and reinstalling the drain plug, pour the correct amount of oil into the filler opening using a funnel to prevent mess. Start the engine for about 30 seconds, then shut it off and wait a couple of minutes for oil to settle before checking the dipstick and topping up if needed. Finally, inspect under the car for any leaks and dispose of used oil responsibly at a recycling center.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.